Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we talked about what AI actually is and why it's everywhere around us. Today, let's go one step further. I will share the 5 most important beginner AI skills that every student should start learning right now. These skills are simple, practical, and can help you build a strong foundation in artificial intelligence. The first skill is Python programming. Python is the backbone of AI because it's easy to learn and has thousands of libraries for machine learning and data science. Even if you are a beginner in coding, Python feels simple. Start with the basics like loops, functions, and lists, then explore libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow. The second skill is data analysis. Remember, AI runs on data. The better you handle data, the better your AI models will be. Start small with Excel to organize and clean data, then move to SQL to work with databases, and finally practice with the Pandas in Python for analyzing big data sets. This skill will train you to spot patterns and prepare data for machine learning. The third skill is machine learning basics. Don't worry, you don't need to become an expert right away. Just understand the core ideas like supervised learning means like predicting house prices, classifications like detecting spam emails, clustering like grouping similar customers. These are the building blocks of AI that you will use everywhere later. The fourth skill is learning how to use AI tools. Today you don't need to build everything from scratch. AI tools can help you right away. ChatGPT for text coding and research, Midjourney for generating AI images, Google Gemini for studies support and creativity, GitHub Copilot to help you write code faster. Mastering these tools will make you more productive and future ready. And the fifth skill is prompt engineering. This is about asking the right questions to AI tools. For example, instead of typing write essay on climate change, you could say write a 500 words essay on climate change in simple English with real life examples for students. See the difference? The better your prompt, the better your AI responses. And this is already one of the hottest skills companies are looking for. So these are the 5 beginner level AI skills for students: Python, data analysis, machine learning basics, AI tools, and prompt engineering. If you start learning them step by step, you will be ahead of 90% of students who are still confused about where to begin. In my next video, I will share the intermediate AI skills for graduates and job seekers, things that can actually get you into the AI industry. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.